Hey, there you are. Good to see you. Where to now? Right leads to the rolling bridge is just there. Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Well done! Thanks for helping out! Pick any toy you like. Let's go find that toy! Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks! You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. Excellent! Thanks for helping out! Time to pick a new toy. It's super easy to find a new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Where to now? Left leads to... Right leads to... The tunnel is nearby. Left leads to... The tunnel is nearby. That's perfect! Just slice or tap it to open. Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. Amazing! Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. Wow! Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. Super duper! Excellent! That's so cool! Super! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Pick any toy you like. Let's go find that toy! Which way do you want to go? Left leads... The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go. That was a blast!